hard when you're driving into that car, but I can't do it anymore. It's tricky. Sorry, I put it on feet again, yeah?
Just a brief little stop off in Wrexham, and I was just popping round and coming out with Jim for a bit of a drive. I haven't been to Wrexham town for, good grief, a long time now. Used to come here all the time, Wrexham. Got the church here. Is it a cathedral in Wrexham? I don't know. Because Wrexham's a town, isn't it? And I thought cities are cathedrals. So is this just a church? I'm not sure. I think that's how it works anyway. Nice gates on it. Oh, go your way into his gates with thanksgiving and into his courts with praise. There we go. It is church, yeah. Church parking only, it says there. It's a fancy looking place, isn't it? See if I can get a bit of a close up on the church. Some kind of howling down there, sounds like American Werewolf in London. I think it's a cat. I hope it's a cat. You see two red eyes, Scarpa. low growling and some fangs.
Is that fangs? What's that sound mean of a cat? It's like a cat sound, isn't it? Yeah. It's not like a meowing sound. It's more like a
howling cat, yeah.
Is that anger or something? Oh, there they are.
Oh, can you see them? Oh, thank God for that. Proper kicking off down there, aren't they? Let's see if we can break up the fight before any fur flies.
I love cats. I think they're talking. I think it's anger, or maybe you're making them up. I don't know. It's strange, isn't it?
Cat fight, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't understand. They look at cats. Oh, there's some fat in the way. That's that local. Oh, they're going. Oh, look at them. That's why I don't do it quietly.
Hopefully they've run off now. They won't. They won't bite each other.
Yeah. It's a shame that they're only talking to each other, but it's sad, isn't it?
I know they're growling again down there now.
They're talking, aren't they? You can. No, in the day.
In the day you can, yeah. I think you can. Yeah, I suppose you don't want morons smashing the place up. I can understand that. Gates close at 4 p.m. I think it's quite early, really. It is quite locked up, considering you can walk up to the steps of York Minster, can't you? Crikey, we are in town here, go grief. Cafe de Gaulle. Let's have a look what they serve in here. Cafe de Gaulle. Breakfasts. What's that? Bacon and brie paninis. Burgers, toasties. Croissant and butter. Well, at least they do croissants. Looks very pleasant inside, actually. Don't know if you can see. It's a nice looking little place. Wine bar. Is this the cultured area or something? Must be bin day because there's bins all over the shop. Yeah, it is. It's quite peaceful in the evening here. Yeah, okay. It's been a heck of a long time since I've been to Wrexham town like this. Chatwins. Do you know, once upon a time I used to know my way round here reasonably alright. Do you want to have a look?
Yeah,
Let's go. We can only go to the end and come back maybe.
Yeah, I don't mind. You've got another very long time.
Looks like most of the shops are shut down.
Yeah. It's sad though, isn't
Isn't it? Wrexham Arcade.
It's got some good shops in Wrexham. It's not like Chester, it's a bit smaller, but it's not bad. You know what I mean?
This was new look on it. This store is now closed. You can still shop for your favourite styles at newlook.com. There's the entrance to the arcade, built 1891. Like I say, this is nothing in particularly special, this video. It's just a quick wander because we popped in, so just thought to have a quick nose round. No, it's fine. Halifax, established 1833. Was it? I didn't think they had Halifax building societies back then. Little alleyways. Or if you're from Lancashire, Ginnells. Warren James, Barclays Bank. It's a big fancy old building that's living in, isn't it? Look at these. Grand old buildings, these. At the end of the road there's the moon, I think. Yeah, like a crescenty moon. Do you think you should just go up there, Jim, and then walk back?
Yeah, if you don't mind, yeah, I'll go up there and walk back here.
Because I don't want to keep you out too long. I know you've got to.
I suppose you go down to the street, that's all round there. I think you can go this way or that way, that's all.
Oh, you can go this way, can you, to it?
Yeah, to back, yeah. But I just wanted to go round the street, that's all.
Okay, yeah, no worries. Crack on.
Yeah, sorry for your pain.
No, not at all.
Round, and it just meets you around there. Just not going round that way, so the street will just take you through it. And if you don't mind, just not half 11. We'll do that then. Back slowly.
Yeah, no props.
McDonald's is down there, you can see, but it's probably closed, isn't it?
Good old Mackey's. There's usually one of them knocking around somewhere. Got a Kex here as well. Sex. CEX, whatever you call it.
Where's that?
Just here.
Is it? Oh yeah.
In red.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I don't know what's on offer. They got that red "Don't smash my windows" thing in there, so you can't really see. Actually, if I go over here, you get a better view of the cathedral or church even. Get quite a good view of it from here.
Built in
1891, yeah. This is not a loo. I didn't think it was. Obviously someone does. Cocktail bar across the way there. That's where we come from earlier. High Street. Another grand old building up there, see? Yeah, why not? I don't know. A big letter H. Home style? I don't know. Hideout here. Charcoal grill, pizza palace. Yeah, charcoal grill. You want some burgers or something? That looks like a grand old building across the way there. Don't know what the heck it was in the past.
This is the club here called on the left here in the 90s, 97, 98. It's quite rough. It's called, I had 2 or 3 floors, I think it was called. I got that month the name.
That orange peel up.
Walk on the road, I think.
Yeah. No. I think they'll kill first and ask questions later then. Thai kickboxing.
That was the club there. Oh, club years ago it was, yeah.
Yeah. Was that all you wanted to see?
Yeah, just wanted to see that before.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I can hear myself think again now.
Again? Yeah,
I can hear myself think. The Old Swan pub and the Cross Foxes.
Pubs inside, isn't it? That's it, exactly.
Cross Foxes looks as though it's gearing up ready for lockdown to end, so they can have people outside. There's a load of Christmas lights in the back and a roofed area in the back. Be bloody freezing like, but at least you'll be able to get yourself a pint. An Old Swan Brewery, 1811 that place, fair play. It's a while ago, innit? Can we get back to your car this way, can we? The Cross Foxes. Speedy cars for your taxis. 01978 26 2829. If you ever need a lift back home. Central Kebab and Burger House. You know it's late when the kebabbies are shut, don't you? But to be honest, it's not really that late. I bet Shot and Kebabby's still open.
This is it, we've got this hill, don't need to go back.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, your car's down there, isn't it?
No, it's up here, yeah. I know you want to hit the last go up there, and then you go sort of right round, and Kingsway, isn't it? So it is. I know that, hopefully
I just, yeah.
No, you're right, I just know it's down here, and I'm thinking,
Yeah.
sorry, I'm not what I was saying.
No worries. The roof on. The top.
It's down here, can't I go on?
All the higher floors on these places look like they've seen better days. Suppose getting on, aren't they?
The white feather, what's that mean, isn't it? A white feather?
It's supposed to be luck, isn't it?
That means good luck, yeah.
I think. What's a white feather mean, folks?
Good luck. Well, teddy bear luck,
Free House, Old Swan, Castales. Beauty Clinic and then Diamond Cars. Pizzano.
That was the club called Penny Black, isn't it? It was the club years ago, didn't it?
Here.
That one there, yeah. Is it like a nightclub bar?
Penny Black. I think these all open out, don't they? Window doors of sorts. The oldest in town, Established 1380, really? Old number 7 bar and grill. I like the skeletons in the roof upstairs. See? In the room upstairs even. If it's focusing, I can't really see. I'm going blind in my old age. There's a couple of skeletons in the window up there though. The ironworks and Senso, is that? And then this looks like hairdressers or something, yeah. So if you want to cut and finish, girls, it's £36.50. Bloody hellfire, it only cost me a tenner. You girls don't have to get ripped off. Chicken you like. Chicken you like looks rather closed. And then there's Muzzy's Barbers. It's even got one of those little spinning things in the roof there. And the Parish Indie Bar. Does that mean they play stuff like Oasis or who knows? Well, that's a little brief pop round Wrexham. Unplanned, I didn't know we were coming here, so not particularly great vid, sorry, but just a quick look round.